All right, X myth number one, tearing. This is a myth that I've heard people say so many times that tearing is only fixed in Wayland, but it has been fixed in XOR since 2010. So I don't know why people say this. So here I have an XOR session, and I'm gonna run this test. At 140 frames per second, I barely see any tearing. I see it, but it's very, very minimal. Now, if I reduce the frame rate to 60 frames per second, I can see some tearing, but my screen recording software cannot show it. At 20 frames per second, I definitely see tearing. It's very, very bad. So, yes, there is tearing in XOR. It's a problem. You can say it's a problem. But here's the thing. First, vsync fixes that problem. I turn on, like this application has a vsync feature. I turn it on and boom, tearing is gone. I don't have to do anything else. I increase the frame rate. It looks very smooth, very nice. Even at 30 frames per second, not tearing whatsoever. That's just enabling vsync. Now, I'm going to disable vsync. And the second solution is compositing. This was available in 2010. Pretty much everyone enabled compositing. And it's really easy. In case of XFCE, just turn on this flag and that's it. Now I have compositing. Now I don't see any tearing with vsync disabled, but compositing enabled looks perfect, even at 30 frames per second. So that's it. Like, I don't understand why people feel this is an issue, and that's not the only way to fix it. Like here, I'm gonna edit the XOR configuration, and I'm gonna enable the tear-free option for this particular driver. Most drivers have it enabled by default. This is AMD GPU. It's not enabled by default, but you just enable it. I restart the server. Let's restart the server. Okay. Run the program again. Not tearing. I don't have vsync enabled. I don't have compositing enabled. I don't see any tearing. Just enabling one option in the driver. This is of course driver dependent, but most drivers have that option and most have it by default actually. No compositing, no problem. Okay, and then let's see what Primogen says.
Please just watch a YouTube video and let us view it with no screen tearing. Okay, we'll try that. As you can see, my font is all like scaled poorly. It looks stupid.
That's hype.
All right.
Wayland for you.
All right, let's just see if we can do this. Let's just see if we can. Oh wow, Brave. Okay, Brave is blocking everything. I didn't need
forward.
anything off that video. Giant bouncy balls. Why not? Okay, there we go. I didn't know about this video. All right, it's coming out of here. Is there screen tearing, people? I don't see any screen tearing. Is this screen tearing free? Are we Did we just screen tear free?
Wow, amazing.
Just low FPS. That can be fixed. It's also like, dude, right now, I don't know what my resolution is, but it feels really wonky. Wayland VSync is VSync. No screen tearing. Yeah, beautiful. Screen tearing free. I know we're entering into a new world. This is a new world.
New.
Seven long years of Linux screen tearing fixed in 24 minutes or less. Yep, there we go. Kabira speaking. Thank you for the tier 1 new world.
It was fixed in 2010, but well, you try Linux for a month and you think it's fixed in Wayland. Like, okay, sure, if you say so.